There are various online earning apps available in Pakistan that you can use to make money online. Here are a few popular options. Rozi.park. This app allows you to search for job opportunities and apply for them online. You can also create a profile and showcase your skills to potential employers. Daraz.park. Daraz is an e-commerce platform where you can sell your products online and earn money. You can also become a Daraz affiliate and earn commissions by promoting their products. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a survey and rewards app that pays you for completing surveys, watching videos, and playing games. Upwork. Upwork is a freelance platform where you can offer your skills and services to clients worldwide. You can find work in various categories, including web development, graphic design, writing, and more. Fiverr. Fiverr is another popular freelance platform where you can offer your services and earn money. You can find work in various categories, including writing, graphic design, digital marketing, and more. It is essential to do your research before using any online earning app and make sure it is legitimate and safe to use. For more informative videos, subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.